Hello guys, in this video I reached the bottom of the barrel and I need views, so I'm gonna be speedrunning coding. You all know that Minecraft speedrun mods hate me, so I'm gonna speedrun coding this time. I'm gonna be doing
10%.
intro over. Why? Why? Let's do this. Oh my god. Oh my god, this seed is so bad. Holy crap, this seed is horrible. What? God, I can't believe it. Look at this generation. Holy crap. Oh my god. What is this? Okay. We can do this. We can get it. Whatever. No. Oh god, that wasn't a bad, but what? Look at. No. Where's all the iron? Okay. Alright, shoot her. Okay, alright. Oh my god, I can do this. Oh! I'm doing it. Okay, oh my god, what is this? Oh my god, what are these pigment trades? Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh, great. Oh, great. Oh god, I gotta pull up my cheats, man. Where are my cheats when I need them? Where are the hacks? Oh god. Oh my god, this is bad portal spawn. Oh crap. Oh my god. I gotta get more beds. Why am I like this? Why am I such a disappointment to my family? No. Why? Why am I like this? Why? Why am I like this? Why? Okay. Oh, yes! I did it! Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm sorry if I was mean to your dream, but he's a great guy and you probably heard of him. If you haven't, watch him, man. He's like he's amazing. And I don't believe he actually cheated in his speedruns. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to the basement where MTube has hid me. Help me. Bye. Guys, seriously, locked me in his basement and won't let me leave. Help. He's forcing me to make weird and crappy videos of GTA and other games. Help. That was a joke if you guys didn't get it.